Menteri Rangba kejela ukon rat ke sangma hakahnyo trik naitung ulai kendo ya Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng ubakmi ya ke Ministry of Coal and Mines Uji Kishan Reddy ha New Delhi bat kentu ya ke Sarkar India bakan IT ya ke bor halor ke kamti do yongsha kejela hapo ke kindon arpun riu jongka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act kat kendai spark san penyau. Kani ka jingpan bor kalong ban penla ya ka jela bakan ai ya ka jing menjur bahaswa previous approval. Bat ban ai jing menjur ya ki mining plan hapo ka jela da ka bapen kesan bakani ka nyaram iki hajar tili ki terai jung ki par ki barin bakin la ban beteng ya ka kamti doyong kenang ban pen imbyang ya ka kamai ka ji ke jongki kabala syak tak jur nadu ka jingkhang ti doyong da ka National Green Tribunal NGT ha u arjar khat sao. Ha kani ka jinglet ya kindu balasan ran lang da ka MLA ka sutengah saipung ka kong Santa Mary Shela Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ka jinglong jingman ka bak hamper ha ka rukambat kendo hapo jong ka 6th schedule ha ka ba ka jaka bagi marpo kendo ki day ki balalong try da ki riu shimen ki kur bat ishnong bat om jong ka jela kumbalapan scam da ka Supreme Court House nam arjar kat kendai kat ba ki dan kamban but renti ya ka MMDR Act ban pentri kamiki. Ukon rat ula ongru baga kindoan ke badan kam ya ka jingdan jaka ke bahadu shispa hektar balabu hapo ka standard operating procedure ha u arja arpuwe ha ka jingshisha kalak hanglat ya bun ki try par ki badai ki riulum bakin yo eki mining lease banti eki par namar kam judan satya ki jaka ki babat ka ni ka jinghe ha ka jela ki ban batang da uwe utrai. Habapan kan mau baka Ministry of Coal haka jingakran kala menjur ya ka jingkerpat ka Meghalaya ban penjun sur na du snam arjar khatsan Menteri Rangba ula kerpat ya ka Sarkar India bakan pendap no ya ka senjam da ka bapan mi ya ka jingpen pana hapo ka kindon arpun rio kabala a ya kini ki bor sha ka jela ringkat bat ki bor baya so hapo ka mineral concession rules ka kandai spa an rio pau but ka mineral conservation and development rules arjar khat nyau. Ha kani ka jingalang la IT ka dorkas ka ba benya ha ka baya day but kani ka kam sha uni Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng. Ha ka bakut jong ka jingalang Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng ula ai jingmot ban thaw ya ka committee ka ban bishar benya halor kani ka kam but na kalyang Menteri Rangba ula pedang sngob ha ya kani ka jing ai jingmot but lakmi lenti baya ka committee on sa thaw no kham kloy. Haba ai kublay ya Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng ukon rat upen pau ka jingkermen bakan ka senjam kan plilinti na ka bentai ki hajar telik long yeng ha ka jela bakin la ban kamai ka ji kat kum ka lenti jong ka an na ki marpo khandau ki jong ki hi hapo ka jingpe jingkmi benya jong ka Sarkar jela.
We just had a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Mining and for Coal, Government of India, Shri Kishan Reddy ji. And discussed in detail with all the officials regarding the mining situation, especially to do with coal in the state of Meghalaya. And the response was extremely positive. And Honorable Minister has directed that a committee should be formed immediately to look into the ways and means in which we'll be able to help the smaller miners in our state and be able to give the opportunity for them to move in a legal way. Which is a challenge as of now. And therefore, a very, very positive, constructive meeting was held. Very soon we'll be forming this committee and we'll look into the ways and means, keeping in mind obviously the constitutional provisions, keeping in mind the legal acts and other aspects, and yet looking at the local situation in Meghalaya and being able to find a solution so that our small-time miners can benefit from the changes that will take place. So it was a very positive meeting, and once again I thank the Honourable Minister for his time as well as for his concern and his direction for us to move forward. Thank you so much.